thought we were just going to have to replace a little tiny bit of wood. The foil tape you see is insulation tape to hold the underbelly back up, which we're going to have to do. We thought we were just going to have to replace this little bit, but you're looking at this, about another 8-foot piece. The sills right there are rotten. This all came out. Look how rotten that was. All the way from a little piece of dripping, I shouldn't say piece, a couple of years probably worth of dripping water from that gutter piece up there. And I just replaced that and sealed it up. And as you can see, the water lines coming down in between the back of the siding and in front, slowly dripping, getting into sections here. Nothing is totally waterproof in mobile homes. And that slowly over a couple years rotted the whole major 2x6 main beam all the way up here to the support. So we're cleaning this out today. We came back yesterday. It was getting too late, and I just finished cutting that bad piece of gutter out and replacing it, sealing it up real good so it's not going to leak again, and doing this repair today. So it's on Sunday. We got a tenant that'll be moving in, so we need to finish this up so we don't have to bother them. And that's what we're doing today.
It's how we spend our Sunday mornings.
The sun's in your face. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's how we spend our Sunday mornings sometimes. But that's part of being a landlord. So we have the flexibility to be able to do that.
We're creative.
But here are the 2x6s that runs all the way around the house as the main frame. And so Steve's gonna come over here and cut that off right there. And I'll come back and show you after it's finished. Okay, we're done. The pieces all together here. Nice fresh piece of wood, maybe about 12 feet, 10 to 12 feet worth of wood. So now we gotta come over here, push the insulation back up, and tape the underbelly like we did that side, and clean this all out, clean out the tracks so that we can put the skirting in, and we'll be done. I'll show you what it looks like after we put it back together.